How to download and install the Touch VPN for your Windows 11 computer system. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Touch VPN application for your Windows computer system. So in order to start, the first thing that you need to do is open any web browser of your choice, be it the Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge or Mozilla Firefox or any other web browser that you are more compatible with. So for the sake of this demonstration, I will be using Google Chrome. So open your Google Chrome or any other web browser and search for Touch VPN download. And once you have searched, simply hit the enter button and you can see the search result from www.touchvpn.net that says Touch VPN. So touchvpn.net is the official website to download the Touch VPN. So click onto this Touch VPN option and here we are in the official Touch VPN website. Now from here you can see your real status and your Touch VPN status. So this is just an example of how it's gonna protect you from internet threats. Now from here it says get touch VPN. So simply click onto this get touch VPN button and from here you need to choose that particular operating system for which you want to download this. So in the platform, if you are looking to just install extensions in your browser, then you can choose the Chrome Web Store or Microsoft Edge. And then you also have these two options for Windows as well. So you can either click onto this Microsoft button and it will lead you to the Microsoft Store. And here you can see that we have landed into the Microsoft Store, but it says product not found. So let us get back and click onto this Windows MSI to download a installer. And here you can see that our installer has been successfully started to download, and we will use this installer to install the Touch VPN. So let's click onto this open button to open the Touch VPN installer, and then you need to click onto the I accept privacy policy of Touch VPN, and then you can click onto this install button. If a notification appears, you need to click yes into that to allow Touch VPN to progress. And here is the setup progress for the Touch VPN, and here it says installation successfully completed. So simply click onto the close button and now Touch VPN has been successfully installed into our Windows 11 computer. Now to access the Touch VPN, simply click onto the search bar of the taskbar and search for Touch VPN. And here you can see under the best match, this is the Touch VPN application. So simply double click onto the Touch VPN application and wait for the application to launch. So here we have entered the Touch VPN application, and before starting you need to click onto this accept and continue button, and here is the final interface. To connect to the VPN you need to click onto this button right here and it will connect you to an optimum VPN server which is the more which is the most closest to you and will give you optimum fast speeds. And you also have a daily limit of 500 megabytes. To expand your limit you can always purchase a plan that is offered by the Touch VPN. So that's it for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments if this worked for you or not, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.